What's up, everybody? Welcome back for another episode of R32 build. On the last episode, well, I don't remember what we did on the last episode with all this panic and toilet paper thing, virus thing. It's been a while since I was here last time. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be working on a couple of stuff. I don't remember if I mentioned you guys on the last episode. Installed this bad boy up here. Power steering tank. It's pretty good. I already wrote that thing. I already put the AN lines. Let's see what we have here. I received a couple of packages. Let's see. Oh yeah, and this is my new toolbox. Here we go. What we got? Chase base. This is for brake booster deleting. Let's put it here. So we had this four-way union. We need this. So brake fluid goes in. This is gonna go on the front left, front right, and it's gonna go to the rear. But from the rear, we needed a actuator, so it puts less fluid on the rear, so it's gonna work. I don't know, 30%, whatever you put on the rear, and 100% on the front. But that didn't really look that nice, and I had to buy actuator, a couple extra lines again. It was too much work, and it didn't look that nice. So what I did, I picked this chase base, all in. There you go. It's gonna be like this. So basically, fluid's gonna go in. On the bottom, it's got left, right, front, and this is the rear. So basically, actuator built in, so which is nice. I don't need all extra lines, and it's gonna look pretty good up there. So I'm just gonna mount on the bottom of the cylinder. It's gonna mount it on the bottom, and it also has this hard line, which is pretty good. So basically, it's gonna be sitting like this. Like this. So I would need to get a 3AN male to 3AN banjo bolt, so it's just gonna stay on the banjo bolt right here. I could use this 90-degree, but I think banjo bolt is gonna look much better. So let me go ahead and install that. Alright, we're finished with that, so let's now go ahead to the rear. I want to do a couple of stuff on the back. Here we are. Oh yeah, I never showed you guys the license plate. I won't. So as you can see, the trunk is not that great cheap. So what I want to do, I want to vacuum it really nice, and then clean it up with the wire brush. For example, here, a couple of spots, black. Probably to show you a black, I'll just do matte black. Then do that. And here's our tank. Much better. Alright. So I'm gonna paint it, and here's the sound that it's old. So just leave it there. I'm gonna clean it, I'll paint it, and probably put a couple more dots in it. Pump assembly. As you can see, it's pretty rusty right here. I have to clean it out. There's a rust right here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably take it apart, clean it pretty nice, and probably paint it. Good thing it has an aftermarket pump. What we're gonna do, and also is missing this leveler. So basically, it tells how much gas in there. Alright guys, so yesterday, so this is the next day today. Yesterday what we left off is, we did paint the trunk, that matches the engine bay, so that looks pretty good now, glossy and stuff. You're not gonna be able to see it anyway, but still, I want to look a little bit nicer. So today, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna be figuring out what to do with the fuel tank, and also what I did was I dropped the transmission. It looks okay, it looks fine. One thing, I forgot to drain the fluid. Well, whatever, we turned it out, so I'll just leave it there like that. I'm gonna be changing either way. One thing, when I was pulling the engine out, I screwed out this sensor right here. I already ordered new one, so I'm gonna be replacing that. Here's the speedo cable. This is the shift mount. I'm gonna be pulling that out just to make sure it's all good. And probably we're gonna throw on short shifter. Probably we're gonna be throwing on the short shifter, but we'll see that later. Easy. Here's the throwout bearing. It looks okay, but might as well just replace it. It's not that expensive, so we're just gonna replace that. So yeah, we got the training. What I'm gonna do, I probably sucked all the gas out from the tank, and then probably try to drop the fuel tank. I'm gonna clean it, also reseal it, clean it, and clean that underneath the car. So let's go ahead and check all the gas out from there, and we'll keep going. Alright guys, little update for today. We just dropped the fuel tank right here. Here's the fuel tank. It looks okay. I mean, 30 years old, what else? What else you gonna expect? We have a lot of cleaning to do up here, so no holes, no anything like that. I see looks like a lot of leaks or something. I don't know. Here's the inside. Rusty, so what we're gonna do, take out all the gas, drop it in up here, then we're gonna go ahead and dump all the fuel on the fuel tank right here, from there to there. So yeah, let me do that and we'll get back to you guys. Here we go. We dumped all the fuel on the dumped the fuel roller, everything in there, so it's completely empty. So now it's cleaning process. So we're cleaning really nice. It's a lot of dirt built, grease built up in there, so it's gonna take some time. We're gonna be cleaning this out, and also today, what else we're gonna do I picked this up. This red silicone, red gasket maker, high temperature, up to 650. So we're gonna be putting here at the thermostat. Last time we did not, because I did not have this proper silicone in there. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. But before doing anything, make sure read the direction. It says here, make sure the surface is clean. We're gonna be squeezing in 2 to 6 millimeter of the silicone. We're gonna be putting in and hand tight it. So we're gonna be hand tight it, and then wait 1 hour, and then torque it by spec. So I'm not sure what's the specs on this. I have to check it out. I have to check down the manual. So yeah, let me put you guys on. Let's get going. See, finished with this. I applied some of this, the gasket maker, and then hand tied it a little bit. That's gonna be shown on the edges. So hopefully it's good. Now it's about 4 o'clock, so we're gonna wait till 5 p.m. and once 5 p.m. is gonna hit, we're gonna be torqued down on the specs. So yeah, let's see. I'll be back in 1 hour. Until then, I'm gonna be cleaning the fuel tank. So yeah, I'll see you guys now. We paint the bottom of the tank with the bed liner. It looks okay. We're gonna let it dry for the night, and hopefully it's gonna be all nice and protected. Tomorrow we're gonna be painting the other side, top side. We're just gonna paint it with the regular paint, black paint, so it looks nice and good. So yeah, that's it for today. We'll do other things on the next episode. I will be still working on the trunk interior. I'll be making a couple of custom stuff and wrapping the interior pieces and all that stuff. I'll show you guys in the next one. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one.